Hi, this is Drew from Skinny WordPress. Okay, so what's the big deal about QR codes and why should I care? Well, chances are you've seen these weird looking boxes filled with all these squares and dots and lines plastered on everything from real estate signs to restaurant ads to beer cans lately. And if you aren't already familiar with QR or quick response codes, are essentially an image-based hyperlink that can be scanned by your cell phone and will connect you to a particular website or web page online. Now, QR codes have been used extensively throughout Asia and Europe for a while now, but have just more recently caught on here in the United States. It's been estimated that 1 out of every 2 Americans will own a smartphone by the end of 2011. So whether you live in the States or not, this is probably a great opportunity to reach a massive new audience and get them to visit your website, your online shop, your gallery, or maybe just to become a fan of your Facebook page. Now here's the thing. Nobody knows exactly how long this whole QR code craze is going to last. It's new and it's a novelty right now. What we do know, however, is that QR codes are ridiculously easy to use and create, so there really isn't a reason not to use them on your business cards, your brochures, or really any other kind of printed promotional material that you might be using out there in the real world. The best part is that not only are QR codes great marketing tools and cool technology, but creating one isn't going to cost you a thing. Alright, so how do we get a QR code? Well, there's certainly no shortage of places online to get a QR code, but like anything else you do online, you've got to be a little careful of where you go to get your QR code created. Now, some of these websites are just advertiser supported, while others make you register and set up an account with them. A few of the more irritating websites make you click a few affiliate links first, while others just make it difficult to find their QR code generator page if they even have one. And believe it or not, there are more than a few shady sites out there that will charge you to generate a QR code for you. Now, the 2 websites that I generally recommend for generating a QR code are not only quick, free, and dead simple to use, but they give you some really nice options as well. The first website that I recommend is a company called Cawa. As you can see, it's pretty easy to use. We simply select what type of content we're looking for. So for example, we're going to say URL. Then we simply insert our URL here in the box. I'm going to paste it. We're going to use our Skinny WordPress site. You can select your size here and you hit generate. And that's really all there is to it. After we get our shiny new QR code, we can then either right click the image and save it to our desktop in order to print it out, or we can use this HTML image link here in the bottom and copy and paste it directly on our website. Now the second website I recommend is called QR Stuff. Now this one has a few more ads, but it also offers us a few more options as well. Here again, we start off by choosing what type of content we're going to be linking to, for example, our website URL. Then we're going to enter our URL here. Again, we're going to paste it. Here it also gives you the option of whether to use their link shortening service as well. One of the really nice options here is that we can actually pick a color that we'd like to use our QR code to be in. This is a really nice way to have your code stand out from all the plain black and white codes you see out there. You simply select a color, and it will then generate your code and give you a preview of what it looks like. You can either download the image directly to your desktop, you can also print it out, or email it to yourself or someone else. Now they do have some premium features available as well on this particular website for creating high resolution images or stat tracking. But if you're just getting started using QR codes, I'd probably just recommend sticking to the free options for now, and then you can always upgrade later. That's really all there is to it. My advice would be to simply create a few QR codes, try them out, see what kind of response you get, and then go from there.